you doing? That's the black one. They have wheaten coats. He jumped. Did you see how far he jumped? Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Him go potty. That's a good boy. That was a good boy. You gonna jump?
Get all the ice off the ground. Oh, I found a big water bowl.
Uh-oh. You know what that means.
Uh-oh.
That ain't gonna be pretty.
Cooper,
Uh-oh.
be nice, Cooper.
Cooper, don't take the water out. Where are you, kids? Come on, kids. All that means is trouble.
You guys are being really
There
quiet.
you go. I know it. And this means trouble. You want to go back in your pen, Coop?
Out. Out. Come on over here, guys. We're going to see you.
Why don't you guys clean up the floor? Look at the mess you made. Hmm?
Dripping all over like
Dripping.
Micah.
Did it tickle your belly? He's trouble waiting to happen right there. These two, too. Baby's got something stuck on him. A leaf? You got a leaf? They're always so curious.